Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on the device. So to get started, we will need to add the toggle to our control center. As you can see, let me quickly disable this and max out. So as you can see right now, there is no toggle for screen recording. So to actually add it, let's go into the settings, and there we go. So once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down to control center, and from here find the screen recorder, which is right over here. So tap on the plus button to add it and simply leave it. Pull down the panel, tap on a toggle, and it will start the countdown, and after the time it will now start recording, as you can see right over here. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded, so you can open up apps, whatever you want, and once you're done, simply tap on the button once more to stop the recording. As you can see, it will give you a message that it has been saved. So now let's go into our photo gallery, where we can find our recording. So it's right here, and it's already playing. So as you can see, whatever I did was being recorded, and that's really all it does. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.